Welcome to my YouTube channel to listen suspense thriller story for free. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Let's get started. The Clockwork Heart. Chapter 1. The Ticking of Fate. Rain lashed against the windows of the antique shop, mirroring the storm brewing inside Alara. Each drop that hammered against the glass was a beat of her racing heart, a reminder of the chilling discovery she'd made that afternoon. She clutched the intricately carved music box tighter, the cold metal a stark contrast to the warmth of her trembling hands. The delicate porcelain doll within continued its melancholic dance, her painted smile a macabre mockery of Alara's despair. Inside the music box, nestled amongst the gears and springs, lay a single, cryptic message: "Find him before time runs out." Alara, a clockwork repairwoman with a knack for unearthing forgotten stories in the ticking mechanisms of timepieces, had inherited the music box from her estranged grandfather, a man shrouded in mystery. He had always been an enigma, a recluse who lived in a world of shadows, his life a symphony of whispers and half-truths. Alara had always been fascinated by her grandfather, drawn to the enigmatic aura that clung to every object he left behind. But now, this cryptic message threatened to unravel the carefully constructed facade of his life, revealing a truth so dark, so terrifying, that Alara wasn't sure she could bear to face it. She remembered her grandfather's words, spoken in a hushed voice, his eyes filled with a haunting sadness: "Time is a cruel mistress, Alara. It can steal your life, your love, if you let it." Alara had dismissed it as an old man's rambling, a product of a fading mind. But now, staring at the cryptic message, she realized her grandfather had been trying to warn her. The message, she discovered, was not just a cryptic warning. It was a clue, a link to a long-forgotten past, a past that held the key to a love story that had ended tragically, a story of forbidden love, obsession, and a deadly secret. Determined to uncover the truth, Alara embarked on a perilous journey, a quest that led her down a rabbit hole of deceit and danger. She delved into her grandfather's past, piecing together the fragments of his life like a shattered clockwork mechanism. She visited his old workshop, a haven of forgotten dreams, where the air still hummed with the echoes of his mechanical genius. There, she discovered a hidden compartment in his workbench, containing a stack of letters, each one addressed to a woman named Serafina. The letters painted a portrait of a passionate love affair, a forbidden romance that blossomed in the shadows of societal disapproval. Serafina, a renowned opera singer with a voice that could melt the coldest heart, had captivated her grandfather's heart, but their love was doomed from the start. As Alara read through the letters, she felt a strange sense of intimacy with her grandfather, as if she were eavesdropping on a private conversation. She learned about their stolen moments, their whispered promises, and the deep, abiding love that bound them together. But amidst the expressions of love and longing, a chilling undercurrent of fear began to emerge. Serafina, it seemed, was a woman of secrets, a woman haunted by a past she couldn't escape. She was a shadow, a phantom, always lurking in the periphery, never fully revealing herself. Alara's curiosity was piqued. Who was Serafina? What secrets did she hold? And what was the significance of the cryptic message? Driven by an insatiable need to know the truth, Alara decided to visit the old opera house where Serafina had once performed, a magnificent edifice that had fallen into disrepair. The opera house was a relic of a bygone era, a monument to a life lived in the spotlight. As she explored the dusty corridors, she felt as if she had stepped into a time capsule, a world frozen in time. The air was thick with the scent of dust and forgotten melodies, a palpable sense of loss permeating every corner. In the abandoned dressing room, she discovered a hidden compartment, a sanctuary of forgotten memories. There, amidst cobwebs and dust, she found a locket, its surface etched with a delicate clockwork design. Inside, nestled amongst the gears, lay a single, crimson rose, its petals withered and brittle. The locket sent a shiver down Alara's spine. It was as if Serafina was reaching out from beyond the grave, pleading for her to understand, to forgive. But as Alara delved deeper into Serafina's past, she began to uncover a truth so dark, so disturbing, that it threatened to consume her. She learned that Serafina was not the woman she had imagined her to be. She was a woman of secrets, a woman with a dark past, a past that was inextricably linked to the cryptic message. The message, she realized, was not just a warning. It was a plea, a desperate plea for help, a plea that had been lost in the sands of time. As Alara pieced together the fragments of the past, she found herself drawn into a dangerous game, a game where the lines between truth and fiction blurred, where reality and illusion intertwined. She began to receive cryptic messages, anonymous phone calls, and unsettling encounters that sent shivers down her spine. She felt as if she was being watched, followed, her every move scrutinized. Fear began to gnaw at her, a constant companion that whispered doubts and suspicions in her ear. Was she imagining things? Or was someone out there, someone who wanted to silence her, to bury the truth forever? As the danger intensified, Alara found herself relying on the help of an unlikely ally, a reclusive musician named Jasper, a man who lived in a secluded cottage on the edge of the city. Jasper, intrigued by Alara's story and captivated by her unwavering determination, offered her his help, his knowledge of the city's underbelly, and his unwavering support. With Jasper's help, Alara continued her investigation, delving deeper into the shadows of the past, determined to uncover the truth, no matter the cost. But the truth, when it finally emerged, was far more terrifying than she could have ever imagined. It was a story of obsession, betrayal, and a deadly secret that had been buried for decades. Serafina, it turned out, was not just a renowned opera singer. She was a secret agent, a woman caught in a dangerous game of espionage. Her love for Alara's grandfather, a brilliant inventor who had created a revolutionary clockwork device, had put her in the crosshairs of a powerful enemy. The enemy, a shadowy organization known as the Clockwork Hand, had been hunting Serafina for years, seeking to acquire her grandfather's invention, a device that could manipulate time itself. The cryptic message, Alara realized, was not just a warning. It was a desperate plea for help, a plea for someone to stop the Clockwork Hand before they could unleash the devastating power of the time-manipulating device. The truth was a heavy burden to bear, a weight that threatened to crush Alara. She had uncovered the dark secret that had haunted her grandfather's life, but the knowledge brought no solace, only a profound sense of sorrow and despair. She had lost her grandfather not once, but twice, first to the tragedy of his death, and now, to the revelation of the truth. But amidst the grief and despair, a flicker of hope emerged. She had found love in the most unexpected of places, a love that had blossomed amidst the shadows of the past. Jasper, the reclusive musician, had become her confidant, her protector, her love. He had seen the strength within her, the resilience of her spirit, and he had fallen deeply in love with her. With Jasper by her side, Alara began to heal, to rebuild her life, piece by piece. She learned to live with the truth, to accept the past, and to move forward, one step at a time. The music box, once a symbol of sorrow and despair, now became a reminder of the power of love, a love that had endured the test of time, a love that had ultimately healed the wounds of the past. Alara and Jasper, bound by a love as strong as the ticking of a clockwork heart, found solace in each other's arms, their hearts entwined, their future uncertain, but filled with the promise of hope. The rain had finally stopped, and as the first rays of sunlight pierced through the clouds, Alara looked at Jasper, his eyes filled with a love that mirrored the warmth of the rising sun. She knew that the shadows of the past would always linger, but she also knew that with Jasper by her side, she could face anything, any challenge, any storm. The music box, once a symbol of tragedy, had become a symbol of hope, a testament to the enduring power of love, a love that had blossomed from the ashes of the past, a love that would forever bind them together. Together. So this is the end of beautiful suspense thriller story. Hope you like it. Please support my channel and share your feedbacks in the comment section. We will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.